Okay, so today we're going to talk about inequalities in two triangles. There's a hinge theorem, so if two sides of a triangle are congruent to two sides of another triangle, so like this, these two sides are congruent, and then these two sides are congruent, and the included angle of the first is larger than the included angle of the second, so we're saying that angle A is greater than angle D. Okay, then the side opposite the angle of the first triangle is larger than the side opposite of the second. So that means BD will be greater than EF. Okay, so it's just pretty much if the angles are bigger, then the side is bigger. Okay, the converse of the hinge theorem would just say if BD was greater than EF, then their angles are greater. Okay, all right, here we go. Compare the sides and angles by filling in the blank. So if we look at KL, right, and PM, that's what we're comparing. Well, we got to look at the angles. So angle J is greater than angle N. So that means KL is greater than PM. All right, 2, AD compared to BC. So we want to compare AD and BC. Well, BC has a greater angle across from it, right? So that means AD would be less than BC. Okay? All right, let's look at 3. We want to compare WX and XY. Well, we have to look at their angles across. Okay, well, we don't know this angle, but if we do 32 plus 93, that gives me 125. So it means this angle is 120. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't subtract from 180. All right, 180 minus 125. It's 45. Okay, so 53 is greater than 45, so it means WX is greater than XY. Okay, let's look at the next one. So PQ and PS. So I want to know what the comparison between PQ and PS is. All right, well, if this is congruent to this one, okay, and then these two are congruent, all right, this is 83 and it makes a straight line, so we can do 180 minus 83. And so we get 97. So that side's 97, so that means PQ is greater than PS. All right, 5, I'm going to compare the angles. Angle D and angle H. If I look at angle D, its side across is 35, and angle H, its side across is 33. So D is greater than H because EF is greater than GI. All right, angle A and angle E. Well, if I look across, angle A's side is 16, and angle E's side is 15. So that means angle A is greater than angle E. All right, I want RSQ, so that's this angle, and TQS. So again, to compare angles, I have to compare the sides. And so ST is greater than RQ, so that means SQT or TQS is greater. Okay. And last one, JMK and LMK. All right. Look at their sides across. LMK is bigger. Okay, so LMK is bigger. All right, that's it.